This is a review of Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint by Chanel. This tint is in the shade medium, but in total it comes in 8 different shades. It is a tint, so do not expect a foundation type of coverage from it. It comes in a nice packaging, together with a small brush for easy application. The package has a pump, and I do appreciate it. Keep in mind that a little bit of product goes a long way. The tint itself looks very interesting. It has a serum type of texture and feel to it, but it is mixed together with speckles of foundation. Once you start blending them together, they mix into a tint. It applies effortlessly. It evens out the skin tone and leaves the skin looking healthy and luminous. I have tested throughout it a full day and also in the gym. It stays on the skin looking fresh even after a long day. It has a little bit of a glow into it, so it leaves your skin looking really healthy.